excited to share with you how the mystery kits came out. I'm going to show you this month's and also last month's because I haven't done a mystery reveal on a video before. We usually do 2 a month, and we did a New Year's theme and a winter theme. Next one is going to be spring and Valentine's. And then these were last month. We did a planner girl theme, and then we did a travel theme, which really worked out well with me because I was going on vacation right before I filmed these. I'm gonna start off by showing you our New Year's. Oh my gosh, this came out so freaking cute. I love all the foil in this. It is gold foiled. And there's just a lot of like lanterns, fireworks, and some florals. Also, the florals used in this kit are azaleas because I know that Japan has really pretty ones when they bloom. I'm going to share with you, this is what the ultimate kit looks like. And then we also have the kit coming in extras that I will share with you later. Next up is the winter kit. Our winter kit is silver foiled. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with the colors and just the art. I really love this box. It's so cute. So those are the full boxes. And then we have the ultimate kit here. I love how this sheet came out. The foil is so pretty here. And then, yeah, so that is our Kawaii winter kit. And when I was designing it, oh my gosh, I was really kind of worried that it was going to come out looking a little bit too much like our Hello Winter kit from last year. But it came out looking really different. So I'm so happy about that. And then we have our kits from last month that I just wanted to quickly show you. Love the purple skies. Initially I did blue skies and it came out looking a little bit too, I don't know, just not interesting enough. And I'm really happy that I switched to the purple skies because I'm like obsessed with how this turned out. We also have Hobonichi versions. So that is what the travel kit looks like. And then our planner world theme kit. I love this full box. It took me forever to design it. But anyways, I just love the colors in this and all the plaid. So many planners, so little time is the motto of my life. So what this kit looks like. And this kit is in gold foil. Okay. So that is our mystery kits. We have 2 go live every single month. And our next month I'm so excited for. It's a spring and it's gonna be like a tulip theme. It's very pretty. And a Valentine's theme kit. So excited.